Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best pill crusher is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who struggles to swallow pills whole, or for caregivers who need to administer medication in a more manageable form, ensuring that every dose is precise and easy to consume, making a significant difference in daily health routines and medication adherence for countless individuals. Number 5. Easy Dose 3 Compartment Pill Crusher, Cutter and Grinder. Introducing the Easy Dose 3 Compartment Pill Crusher, Cutter and Grinder. This versatile tool is designed for your daily needs, making medication management simple and safe. Achieve accurate and easy cutting of pills and vitamins with its sharp stainless steel blade. It ensures precise dosage every time you need it. It features a removable drinking cup, doubling as a cover for taking medication on the go. Plus, a built-in pill storage compartment keeps your daily doses organized. Built to last, its quality design withstands repeated use. You can rely on it for consistent performance day after day. Easy Dose products are here to make healthy living easier. Embrace a simpler, healthier lifestyle with our thoughtfully designed tools. Join many others who trust our products, with many Easy Dose items endorsed by the Arthritis Foundation for their user-friendly design. What we like? This one has a convenient built-in pill storage compartment. It also features a removable drinking cup for on-the-go use. If you are looking for a product that is easy to use and endorsed by the Arthritis Foundation, this is a great choice. What people say. It crushes pills into a fine powder. The grinder is easy to use and effectively grinds pills into a fine powder. Number 4. BNC Home Goods Stainless Steel Pill Crusher. Introducing the ultimate pill crusher, designed to effortlessly grind your pills into a fine powder. Its durable design can handle multiple pills at once, ensuring you get the perfect consistency every time. Experience maximum results with minimal effort thanks to the elongated handle. This feature allows for comfortable and efficient grinding of pills, vitamins, and medicine. Achieve your desired coarseness with our adjustable design. Create a finer powder that's easier to digest and swallow, perfect for feeding tubes, pets, or children. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and ceramic, this grinder is built to last. Its collapsible design makes it easy to pack and take with you wherever you go. This versatile grinder isn't just for pills. It can also be used as a manual grinder for coffee beans, salt, or pepper, making it a useful addition to your kitchen. What we like? This grinder excels at producing a very fine powder, perfect for feeding tubes, pets, or kids. Its adjustable coarseness allows for customization, and it can even double as a coffee or spice grinder. If you need a versatile grinder for specific dietary needs or enjoy multifunctional kitchen tools, this is the one for you. What people say. This pill crusher is designed to create a fine powder, making it easier to swallow medication. The grinder effectively breaks down pills into a very fine consistency, suitable for mixing with food or liquids. Number 3. Apex Pill Crusher, Pulverizer, and Grinder. Tired of struggling to crush your medications? Introducing a revolutionary tool designed to make it simple and effective. It's perfect for all your pill crushing needs. Whether you have large or small tablets, this device handles them all with ease. It efficiently pulverizes medications and vitamins into a fine powder. Save time and effort by crushing multiple tablets simultaneously. This powerful grinder ensures a consistent, fine powder every time. Designed for your convenience, it features a built-in storage area within the cap. Keep your crushed medication or extra pills safely stored until you need them. Its intuitive design makes it incredibly easy to operate and clean. Achieve the perfect powder consistency with minimal effort. This essential tool simplifies your daily medication routine. Experience the ease of preparing your pills for consumption. What we like? This pulverizer is designed to handle multiple tablets at once, turning them into a fine powder. It also features a handy storage area within the cap. If you frequently need to crush several pills simultaneously and appreciate compact storage solutions, this is an excellent option. What people say. This pill crusher is very effective at grinding pills into a fine powder. The design is simple and easy to use, making it convenient for daily use. It's a great tool for anyone who has trouble swallowing pills. Number 2. Easy Dose Pill Crusher with Storage and Cup. Tired of struggling to crush your pills? This device makes it simple and easy to get the perfect consistency every time. It's more than just a pill crusher. It includes a handy storage compartment for your medication and a removable cup for convenience. Its portable design is perfect for life on the go. Take it with you wherever your travels may lead. You can trust this product to be safe for your health. It's BPA-free, ensuring no harmful chemicals are involved. Simplify your daily routine with this all-in-one tool. It's designed for maximum convenience and practicality. Planning a trip? This compact and lightweight accessory is your ideal travel companion for managing your medication. What we like? This option is specifically designed for travel, offering a portable solution with a storage compartment and a removable drinking cup. If you are often on the move and need a compact, all-in-one pill management tool, this is an ideal companion. What people say. It crushes pills into a fine powder. It is easy to use and clean. It is durable and well-made. Number 1. CoaGu Bear Pill Crusher and Splitter Kit. Introducing the CoaGu Bear Pill Crusher and Splitter Kit, designed for ultimate convenience. Easily crush or split your pills for better dosage control. Crafted with BPA-free materials and FDA compliant for your safety. You can trust its quality for daily use. Achieve a fine powder consistency effortlessly, making medication easier to swallow. Perfect for those who struggle with whole pills. Whether at home, in a nursing facility, or on the go, this combo is your perfect companion. Its compact design makes it travel-friendly. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for effective pill preparation. Simplify your medication routine today. What we like? This kit is BPA-free and achieves a fine powder consistency, making it suitable for nursing home use and travel. If you prioritize health safety and need a portable, reliable solution for crushing medications, this combo kit is a solid choice. What people say. The pill crusher is easy to use and effectively grinds pills into a fine powder. The design is compact and makes it simple to store when not in use. It handles various pill sizes without any issues, producing a consistent powder. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.